given the opportunity by Hilti to demo your new T2000. The results were phenomenal.
So when we launched the T3000 in 2011, it became the standard for electric breakers, and it still is. But for some applications, it's just too big of a tool. And that's really where we needed something that still gave you reliable demolition performance, but wasn't as big, wasn't as bulky, was a little bit more maneuverable and easy to transport around a job site.
My supervisor called and said, hey, I got this prototype Hilti, and I want you guys to run it through the ringers.
The big point for them is it was as powerful as the pneumatic tools they were using, but it had half the weight. Everybody wanted to use the Hilti because it was so easy to use.
They'll be jackhammering and get through the floor and then have to lift it back out. That Hilti.
These new chisels, the SPX chisels, we've added more material to the bulk of the chisel. It allows the chisels to last longer because there's more material. They're less prone to shearing and breaking, and it improves the performance of not only the T2000, but the T1000 and the T800 as well.
He's got the sleeves that actually will go up over the bit itself. You can hook up your attachments to it if you need to watch for the silica dust control.
The most common damage as far as breakers is going to be your power cord. You're breaking that ground, that's all you're focused on, and all of a sudden you're hitting a cord.
If that cord breaks, you just snap it out on the site, you snap in a new cord, and you get back to work.
It's easy. I mean, you don't have to get a compressor out here and like all the hoses drug out. You just one cord, one extension cord. It just seems like you get the job done better and more safe and more efficient.
The fatigue, arms in your back and your shoulders from operating an air hammer makes workers take longer breaks.
30 minutes you'll be tired. It's not just holding it down, you have to pull it off every time.
It would wear you out, and at the end of the day, you just want to sit down and be still somewhere. That Hilti hits just as hard, but it's half the weight. So you're not getting all the joint stress, vibration fatigue that you would get with the pneumatic hammers. The thing's worked perfectly, nothing's gone wrong. It outworked 2 of our pneumatic jackhammers.